Doctors are sounding the alarm because young Australians are turning an over-the-counter cough syrup into a potentially deadly party drug. There's now a push to make the medicine prescription only, as a rapper's video reveals just how easy it is to purchase.
We're at Chemist Warehouse right now. I'm going to try and show you guys how easy it is to get Ricodine.
Ricodine, an over-the-counter cough syrup sold at most pharmacies.
You got $3 in your account.
Tonight, in the spotlight as part of an alarming trend amongst young Australians.
I said I got a dry cough in my hamster.
This Wollongong rapper, who calls himself Fortune, exposing just how easy it is to access the highly addictive drug without a prescription.
When I'm at the pharmacy just waiting for something, it's not uncommon for me to hear someone just walk past to ask the pharmacist for Ricodine, and they look perfectly well. And it's typically a young person or a teenager.
Doctors say they're growing increasingly concerned about the cough medicine being misused by teenagers and young adults as a party drug. Mixed with soft drink or alcohol and called lean, purple drank or Sizzurp.
It contains a medication called dihydrocodeine, which is actually a compound that is at least as potent as a medication which we all know about, which is codeine. And in the body, it is metabolized to dihydromorphine, which is again a compound that is at least as potent as morphine.
It's difficult to know how widespread the misuse of Ricodine has become. There's a lack of data on the problem. But safety fears are being sparked by videos like this one with rapper Fortune. Showing it being added to drinks at parties. You've been speaking to young people about Ricodine for a while now. What are you noticing about those getting access to it?
Well, the young people who've been quite open with me about it have talked about how they collect bottles of these, sometimes bring multiple bottles and then mix and sip on that.
Mixing Ricodine and alcohol, doctors say, can be deadly.
Ricodine is an opioid, and it is a respiratory depressant, so meaning that it slows down your breathing rate. And alcohol is the same, so it slows down your breathing. When you combine the two, you run the risk of slowing down your breathing so much so that you can have brain damage or even death.
The Therapeutic Goods Administration is considering making Ricodine a prescription medication due to abuse of the drug, but a final decision hasn't been made yet.
It should be a prescription-only medication, and I've been advocating for that for quite some time. However, it seems to fall under the radar and slip through the cracks, and that's causes these sort of ongoing risks.
One drug doctors do want young people in the party scene to keep on hand is naloxone. It temporarily reverses the effects of an overdose and can save a life.
What it is simply a nasal spray that will reverse the effect of opioid and lasts between 15 and 30 minutes. So it buys you time to call an ambulance.